Is yours recording?
Yeah.
Is the angle okay?
The angle is awesome.
Okay.
You can't get a better angle than this.
Today I'm gonna teach you about a phrase. Do you know how to say I love it?
Love it.
Yeah.
I can't stand that shit. Actually.
Love it.
Love it. They love everything without loving anything.
Also, do you think this is fake? When somebody says love it.
I don't know. It's just like, what is the standard here, right? What do you enjoy more than something that you love? And when you love it, you like love it. Like it's got to sound like this cultural moniker. But how would I say it in Korean? 이거 사랑해요.
Oh, 이거 사랑해요.
Well, I mean, I'm trying to do a literal translation while driving.
Wrong.
Yeah, I think you'd say 좋아요. I like it.
But why did you change to 좋아요?
I'm trying to think about how it would actually be used in common parlance. What would be normal for a Korean to say?
Yeah.
It's got to be wrong, I guess.
좋아요 is like. Technically, grammatical structure is to be good. 좋아해요. This is to like.
좋아해요.
좋아해요.
좋아요.
So dictionary form is 좋아하다. Would you say 좋아해요 instead of 사랑해요?
I would say 좋아요 instead of love it. But no, you would not.
You can.
Oh, really?
You know why?
Why? Because you don't really love it?
Korean verb 사랑하다 is to love someone. It's not about I love the car. In English culture, you say love everything. It can be an object, it can be person. But in Korean, love, 사랑하다, is not used with objects ever.
It's a completely different structure, completely different animal.
이 셔츠를 사랑해요. It's weird. In that case, I'm gonna use 정말 좋아하다 because I do want to differentiate 좋아하다, which is the simple like, versus love, right? 정말, really.
정말 좋아요.
정말 좋아해요.
How about 진짜?
You could use 진짜 too. So 진짜 좋아해요. 정말 좋아해요. They could be interpreted as English phrase. Love it. But you may ask a question, where is I and it? Subject and object are omitted. In Korean, it's common to omit subject noun and object noun when they are very obvious. I is obvious because I'm talking. It is also obvious because it's usually what? It's an object that is not specified even in English, right?
You know what's obvious? The limit of perception of this drive over here. But yeah, let's continue.
If you do want to say, I love the car, then how would you say?
이건 자동차 정말 좋아요.
That is 저. Car, 자동차, that's correct. 저 자동차를 정말 좋아해요. You don't need to use an object particle technically, but I added it to let you know that 좋아하다 requires an object noun. If you do want to use 좋다 verb, which is 좋아요, then you cannot use an object noun.
No, really?
Because it's to be good. You cannot say it's good with an object.
Otherwise I'd be like, it's good car.
Yeah.
It's
So
a
it sounds
good
weird,
car.
right? So if you do want to say 좋아요, then 저 차가 정말 좋아요. The car is really good. And that is interpreted as I love the car.
So for example, can I say, I love Russian classical music?
Yeah, you can maybe try. For Korean, we also use a lot of English words. We say Russian. Or you can maybe say Russia.
Russia.
클래식
클래식 음악.
음악.
러시아 클래식 음악을 정말 좋아해요.
So hopefully this video was was useful to you. If it was, make sure to smash the like. You can leave a comment with a phrase saying I love blank. So you can choose whichever object that you love and apply this grammar that you just learned. Then we see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.